Hey everyone, my name is Riley, and in this video, I'm going to show you the top 5 no-code website builders so that you can build your website quickly and easily. I will leave affiliate links to all of the website builders that I talk about in the description of this video. And if you sign up to any of these website builders using those links, I will earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. Now, the first option on the list is a free option, and this is system.io. So this is perfect if you are just starting your business and getting your business off the ground. If we go over to the pricing section right here, they have one of the best free plans of any tool I have ever seen. Essentially, we can go down here and we can create a free website. We can have unlimited posts on this website. And the only time that we ever need to upgrade is if we are going to be collecting emails on the website. So if you have more than 2,000 contacts signed up to your email list, you do need to upgrade. However, if you are not capturing emails, then this is free forever. So if I load in to a new system.io account, to create a website, we can head over to the blogs area. You do not have to create a blog. You can create any website, but this is just called blogs. Then we can go to create right here, and these are the templates that we have to choose from. So we can go in and we can choose one of these templates right here, name the website, and then click on save. And then just like this, we can go into the website pages and we have all of these pre-built pages for us. So we can click in right here, and then this is a drag and drop editor. So it makes it very easy to come in here and make any changes that you need to make, of course, without any code. If we want to add new elements to the website, we can do so over on this left-hand side. So if I want to add an image to the website, then all I have to do is drag it in right here. Then we can click in, upload the image on this left-hand side. And this is essentially how we can use the website builder by simply dragging and dropping things around. We can then back out and customize any of these other pages. If we want to add a new page to the website, then we can click on create. Let's just call this test and drop this in. And now this is created. Once again, we can open up this page and we can really start customizing this and adding all of the elements that we want to add to this website. The second option on the list is going to be WordPress. And a lot of people seem to have a misconception around how WordPress actually works, because if we search for WordPress right here, you can see that we have wordpress.com and wordpress.org. Now, the difference between these is that wordpress.org is the actual software of WordPress, and this is open source. It is completely free. So what this means is we can go in, click on Get WordPress, and then we can download WordPress right here, and we can go ahead and build the website. However, to actually put the website live, we need to get hosting. Essentially, this just means it is the server that your website is hosted on, and you need hosting to actually publish this to the internet. So this is where WordPress.com comes in, and WordPress.com is going to actually allow you to purchase your hosting. However, for hosting, this is very, very expensive. The best hosting provider that I have found for WordPress is Hostinger. And we can essentially go down here, and just the difference in pricing is crazy. If you do decide to go with WordPress, then I recommend going for this business plan right here. This will allow you to create 100 websites, 200 gigabytes of storage, a free domain, and everything else that you need. When it comes to actually building a website on WordPress, the standard WordPress website builder is not the best. If I go into edit page, this is the standard WordPress builder right here. And it's really not fantastic. It's really not the most user-friendly. So when using WordPress, we want to install a plugin by going to add new plugin. And the plugin that we want to install is Starter Templates. Starter Templates is this plugin right here. And once you have this installed, it's going to give you access to all of these beautiful templates right here. And although not all of these are free, the premium templates are pretty expensive, and I don't recommend going with them as a beginner, but they have a bunch of free, beautiful templates that you can use. On top of this, and the most important reason that we use starter templates is because it automatically downloads Elementor. And when you have Elementor on your website, it makes this so much easier, because once again, it turns it into a drag and drop website builder and turns it into my favorite website builder to use. We just drag and drop the element in, add everything that we need into this control panel on the left-hand side. So for this button, we can edit the text, add the link. We can delete certain elements over on this section right here. And because it is so easy to use, that is why I use it to host my personal website. Now, if you still want a high quality website builder, but WordPress seems a little bit confusing in terms of the hosting and getting everything set up, then Card could be a fantastic option. Card is super cheap and they host their own websites, so you don't have to mess around with hosting or anything like that. To get started, we just go to choose a starting point and then choose from any of these websites right here. As an example, we could choose one of these portfolio websites. So we just select the template, and then once again, this is a drag and drop editor. So all we need to do to edit the text is click into the text area, and then I can change this to my name. You can see that is going to update. To add like bold or italic, we can go in and make this bold by just adding 2 asterisks on either side, and these are all going to be mentioned down here. So we can do any of these options just by adding like 3 italics or underlines, and it's going to look like this. We can add images by clicking into the gallery and then selecting the individual images right here. And then to add any additional elements, we can add elements using this plus icon. If I want to add a video to my website, it's going to be dropped in here at the bottom. And then once again, I can use the drag and drop functions to drop this wherever I want to on the website. Then I just click in and upload the video right here. Squarespace is another fantastic option that combines the high quality feel of WordPress with the simplicity of Card and hosting its own website. So all we need to do to get started with Squarespace is click on Get Started right here. Choose what the website is about. Let's say this is a photography website. And in here, we can choose between building the website with AI or browsing templates. If we browse the templates, you can see we have some really high quality designs right here. And this is why this is such a fantastic website builder. It does most of the heavy lifting for you. And in here, let's say I want to go in and create an e-commerce store about this dog collar. We can click in. We can choose the default color scheme, click on start with this design, and then we can go and edit the website. Once again, this is a simple drag and drop editor that requires no code. However, it's a lot more customizable than the other websites on this list. The reason is because instead of elements snapping in place, you can essentially adjust your elements wherever you want to on the website. So this gives you a lot of customizability, and although it is possible to make an even better looking website than all of the other options on this list, it's not quite as easy to do. Once again, to change any images, we can come in here, click on edit, and then replace the image. To change text, we just double click, and then we can change whatever text we want to add. We can add new sections to the website and choose the pre-built section that we want to add. Maybe we want to add a team section right here. Well, we can click into edit content right here, go to the content section, and then in here, we can replace all of these team members. Squarespace also has e-commerce options and is going to allow you to sell products through your store. However, if you are selling in the e-commerce space, Squarespace is not the option that I recommend. I actually recommend this next tool, and this is Shopify. This website builder is specifically for e-commerce users and people who want to sell products through an online store. If this is you, this is the best option that you can go with by a long shot. If you do use that link down in the description when signing up to Shopify, then you can claim this deal right here that will allow you to get 3 days for free and then your first month for only $1. Inside of Shopify, you will find this dashboard and breakdown of all of your sales. You can easily integrate products into your store, but most importantly, if we go down to the online store builder, as Shopify is specifically built for e-commerce, they have some of the best e-commerce templates in the game. And all of these that you see on screen right now are free templates that you can use. The website builder itself is very different to all of the other tools that we have spoken about because it's very restrictive, but that's actually a good thing, because Shopify know what works. And in here, all you have to do is essentially come in and replace these different elements on the website. And that's what creates your website, not you dragging and dropping things around. Shopify already have all of these beautiful pre-built sections right here. And you essentially just fill this in with your own information over here on the right-hand side. Shopify also has one of the most extensive app stores out of any website builder, and it allows you to add so much more customizability to your store. As an example, we have Luke's that will allow you to import product reviews into your Shopify store. We have apps like Lucky Orange that will show you where people are actually looking on your store so that you can see a heat map of where their mouse is. And we just have so many different apps that will allow you to add different customizations to your store. Overall, those are the top 5 no-code website builders. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to smash that like button and tap that subscribe button. And until next time, take it easy.